we got it all ground down. Wow, look at this. Will you look at this? And will you look at this? Look at this. Anyway, so we have it all ground down. Bomb diggity. Let's mask it up and get some epoxy primer on it. I'm so excited right now. Okay, so I've gotten it. Well, I'll show you from this side. So we got it pulled out. You'll see my method behind this when I'm finished. So you can see I have a bit of rust. Not to worry, because I'm going to cut that out with my idea. I'm going to cut all that inner arch out. Not to worry. Get rid of all that rust. So now I'm going to just tap it and straighten this out. Get the old hummer. So. Maybe you want to go the other way with it first too. The difference that's made already is unbelievable, guys. I hope you can see that. That's the one here. Okay, so now that we got this reasonably bent into shape, with the little surprise of this rusty part, my intention was maybe to fold this, but now I'm just going to cut it out. I don't like rust, so I'm going to cut all of this rust out here along this line, use this as a guide. Afterwards I'll clean it all up and I'll weld a little return lip out this way, which will catch the outer arch, and I'll trim it back and I'll do a return lip on it so I can seal it to it and all. So yeah, let's get cutting this thing out here now.
we have it ready to weld. Got some clamps on it, as you can see. I'll take these out of where I have these. Oh, these are stuck. So here she is now. Sorry about the light. I'll keep these out of it. So got a clamp down up to this point here. Say, and I want to just move all these clamps over and finish it off over there. So I'm going to stick a weld on it and I'm going to see what it welds like, and we will get cracking. I know the clamps are in the way, but it is what it is. I'm going to just do a test weld on the outside and see what it's like. The light might have to go. I'm not sure the mask will work with it. We'll try and see. Can't see fuck all. So, how he's doing? I've been grinding anyway. Fucking hell, lads. So we got it all ground down after it was welded up, and it's pretty much ready for epoxy primer, you could say. I have to just weld up this little hole up in here and grind down this here for where behind the fiberglass will be. I'm going to epoxy primer all of it and 2-pack primer it then as well, filler primer, just so I have as much protection as I have behind this, because as you've probably seen in the blue board, you never know what's underneath the paint. There could be a little bubble of rust like you seen on the door of the blue board, like, do you know what I'm saying? And let's hope there's no rust underneath this paint, and if there is, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But before that, I'm going to just throw this arch on really quick. I'll have 3 screws in it, and it is so dead tight, because this arch, the idea behind this was that it hits the fiberglass arch, and then I'll just seal along on the inside of it and where it bonds on there, so at least it gives it more protection here for strength and sturdiness wise. So let's get the arch on and I'll show you what it's like with just 3 screws. If I know where I left my screwdriver, yes. Back to that one and get this one in. There we go. Where are you now? A little bit of sealer here, there, and everywhere for sure. A few pop rivets maybe, we'll see. But I'll put the backlight in and all before we finalise where everything is, but I know that is in the correct spot. It all lines up. Savage. Try and get that a bit better for you. Yeah, we will put this back. Put this back. So we're nice and tight all around. What we'll do is we'll pop rivet it here, pop rivet it all there, We're speaking a day or so ahead of ourselves here, so what I want to do is I want to kind of sort of just mark or so well. Just grind a load of it there anyway with the grinder all in here with epoxy primer. But yeah, I gotta cut this out as well though. So let's get cutting this piece out and we will then attack behind this arch and we can get that epoxy primer. That is, if it was screwed there, it's going nowhere. Like, it's just popped out there. But that's so sturdy, lads, with just 3 screws. Like, it's insane. Delighted with that. So I'm going to just cut this piece out now and we'll weld up that bit and we'll move on to grinding behind this. Okay guys, so since we got the bottom piece now welded up and sorted out, this arch is now sorted out. We now just have to strip this quarter panel down to the bare steel and get some epoxy primer on everything. And when I get all of this ready for epoxy primer, I'm going to also just grind down a little bit in there and just get a bit of epoxy primer in underneath the arch and all that as well. And then this underneath is ready for seam sealer and some under seal. So let's get to grinding down this fabulous body. Let's hope we have no here's the mask. Let's hope we have no issues. I'll just turn on the fan. I actually can't believe I'm doing this to an R34 Skyline. My dream's coming true, to be fair, lads. This is insane. I love this. Why go down to bare metal? I did it again. Look at that little beauty. We got it all ground down. Wow, look at this. Will you look at this? And will you look at this? Look at this. Anyway, so we have it all ground down. Bomb diggity. Let's mask it up and get some epoxy primer on it. I'm so excited right now.